Have you ever wondered? Hey there, fellow stargazers. Welcome back to Inquisitive Creation. My name is Gilo, and I will be your trusted companion to explain things you ever wondered about but does not exactly know what they are. Tonight, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the mesmerizing secrets of the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. Get ready to be dazzled by nature's very own light show as we explore the science behind this breathtaking phenomenon. So, what exactly causes the Aurora Borealis to paint the night sky with its stunning hues? Well, let's dive right into the science. The Aurora Borealis stands as one of the most mesmerizing spectacles in nature, illuminating the polar skies with an ethereal glow that has captivated observers for millennia. Known as the Northern Lights in the Northern Hemisphere and the Aurora Australis in the Southern Hemisphere, these dazzling displays are a testament to the dynamic interplay between the Sun, Earth, and our planet's magnetic field. Join us as we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of this celestial phenomenon and uncover the science behind its radiant beauty. At the heart of the Aurora Borealis lies the intricate dance between the solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. The Sun, a vast and powerful star, continuously emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. As these particles travel through space, they encounter Earth's magnetic field, which extends far out into the magnetosphere, forming a protective barrier around our planet. And that's where the magic happens. When the solar wind interacts with Earth's magnetic field, it compresses and distorts the magnetosphere, creating regions of heightened activity known as the auroral zones near the magnetic poles. As the charged particles of the solar wind collide with the gases in Earth's upper atmosphere, such as oxygen and nitrogen, they transfer their energy to the atoms and molecules, causing them to become excited and emit light. The result of these collisions is the stunning light show we know as the Aurora Borealis. The colors and patterns of the auroras depend on the type of gas involved, the altitude of the auroral display, and the energy of the incoming particles. Oxygen atoms typically produce green and red hues, while nitrogen molecules contribute shades of blue and purple, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of colors that dance across the night sky. It's like a cosmic painting unfolding right before our eyes. But did you know that the Aurora Borealis has been inspiring wonder and awe for thousands of years? Throughout history, the Aurora Borealis has been shrouded in myth and legend, inspiring awe and wonder in cultures around the world. From Norse mythology, where the auroras were believed to be the armor of the Valkyries, to indigenous peoples who saw them as spirits dancing in the sky, these celestial displays have left an indelible mark on human culture and spirituality. Fast forward to today, and scientists are using cutting-edge technology to unlock the secrets of the Aurora Borealis. In recent decades, advances in technology have allowed scientists to unravel many of the mysteries surrounding the Aurora Borealis. Satellites, ground-based observatories, and research missions have provided invaluable insights into the dynamics of Earth's magnetosphere and the processes that give rise to auroral activity. By studying the Aurora Borealis, scientists gain a better understanding of space weather phenomena and their potential impacts on telecommunications, navigation systems, and power grids. It's like unraveling the mysteries of the universe, one shimmering curtain at a time. As we continue to marvel at the beauty of the Aurora Borealis, it is essential to recognize the importance of preserving the natural environments where these celestial displays occur. Light pollution, climate change, and human activities threaten the pristine darkness of the polar skies, jeopardizing the visibility of the auroras for future generations. By advocating for responsible environmental stewardship and sustainable practices, we can ensure that the Aurora Borealis remains a source of wonder and inspiration for all. In conclusion, the Aurora Borealis serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth and the cosmos. weaving together ancient myths, scientific exploration, and modern discoveries into a tapestry of awe-inspiring beauty. As we gaze upon the shimmering curtains of light dancing across the polar skies, let us marvel at the wonders of the universe and strive to protect and preserve the natural wonders that enrich our lives. For in the dance of the northern lights, we find both a reflection of our shared humanity and a glimpse of the infinite mysteries that lie beyond. And there you have it, folks, a captivating journey through the wonder of the Aurora Borealis. From ancient myths to modern science, these dancing lights in the sky remind us of the magic and mystery of the world around us. Thanks for joining us on this enchanting adventure, and be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your own experiences with the northern lights in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big. This is your friend Gilo, signing off from Inquisitive Creation. Thanks so much for watching.